Hi, this is Dr. Srimati Kesin, founder, CEO of Space Kidz India. Well, I'm extremely happy to be in this platform called SpaceVrse. The entire community is going to be coming together, sharing our expertise, sharing our knowledge with all of you in the world. I mean, this is such a beautiful thing, never happened before. Each one of us doing multiple things, but never before has anybody put everything together under one platform. I'm extremely happy that SpaceVrse has thought about this and bringing each one of us together. I mean, this is incredible. Well, with Space Kidz India, I've been here in the space industry for the last 10 years. I should say started off as a scientific experiential learning tutor where I was taking children to NASA, ESA and GCTC space camps as the ambassador for these space camps. But subsequent to that, we started building satellites, student satellites. And ours is the only organization in India to have built 27 space missions, 20 high-altitude balloons, 3 suborbital missions, and 5 orbital missions. Isn't it incredible? So, well, I'm not going to be telling everything at one go. Let's meet, keep meeting, keep talking, keep discussing, keep sharing. Yes, you got it right. Let's meet soon. Take care. Jai Hind.